Hi, my name is Rupa. Engine repair work involves dismantling, cleaning, inspection, and reassembling. Internal combustion engine produce some undesirable byproducts during running. Water and byproducts of combustion combine with engine oil to form sludge. Carbon deposits in the combustion chamber form due to the oil that leaked from the crankcase. Sometimes oil leaks from the gasket or steel, combined with the dirt and road crumbs to make a greasy film on the outside of the engine. Not probably maintaining coolant, have mineral deposit and abrasive sludge can build in the coolant system, particularly in coolant jackets. So, proper cleaning is necessary while servicing the engine. And now we are going to see the cleaning and testing of engine block. At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to clean the engine block, test the engine block for leak.
Tools required: spanner set, drift, hammer, mallet, oil can. Equipments required: an engine block for cleaning and testing, air compressor, car washer. Materials required: stiffy brush, soap, degreaser, rust remover, soft cloth. There are different methods of cleaning of automotive components, including water-soluble deposits, organic soils, scale, and rust. The various cleaning method includes wet cleaning with petroleum solvents or water-based chemical solutions, abrasive cleaning, thermal cleaning. Out of these, wet cleaning is most common method to clean the engine is chemical cleaning. Chemical cleaning of automobile parts are of three types: base, acid, cleaning solvents. To clean soils, wet the cleaning part to be cleaned. Apply soap and wait for a minute. After wetting, the soap suspends dirt so it can be washed away. Organic soils, including petroleum byproducts, cannot be effectively cleaned with water. Chemicals are used to make these soluble so that water will be able to wash them off. Most automotive soaps are base. These soaps are very effective in cutting grease. The combination of soap and high-temperature water makes cleaning easier to remove grease. To clean rust and scale, acid is used. But before that, the oil and grease must be removed.
Now I am going to demonstrate how the engine block is cleaned and tested for any cracks.
Cleaning the engine block. First, the block must be cleaned thoroughly. Remove all core plugs, oil gallery plugs, cam bearings, and any other parts must be removed. Clean oil galleries. Clean the external part of the block with water and soap. Spray water on the block and apply soap and clean it with a cloth. The soil stuck on the walls will be removed. Using a stiff bristle brush with hot, soapy water to clean galleries that run the full length of the block. After washing, dry the block with compressed air. Then, lubricate all machined areas immediately to prevent rusting. But the soap will not remove grease, so use degreaser for cleaning greasy parts. First, spray the degreaser in the engine block surface, oil and water passages, and holes provided in the block. Scrub the block, threads, coolant, and oil passages with a stiff brush. Then, flush out all the passages with pressurized water and rinse the block. Now turn the engine and apply degreaser in the bottom of the engine. Clean the passages and bearing surfaces from the bottom with a stiffy brush. Flush out all the passages and rinse the block thoroughly. After cleaning, dry the block with compressed air quickly to prevent rust. Clean the bearing surfaces and cylinder bores with a soft cloth and apply engine oil immediately to prevent rust. Spray oil in the entire block. Now, the engine is ready for testing. Before testing the block, check any crack is found in the surfaces. The first thing to remove is the engine block top closing plate. The measurements are taken from the engine block itself. The insertion rubber is also made the same size as the plate. Plug all the holes by threaded bolt or plug. The first test was carried out with just air pressure, with the block inverted and air pressure applied starting with about 25 psi, then 40 psi, then 60 psi. We placed a rubber tube into each cylinder and just listened for air leaks that may have been coming through the cylinder walls. If any air leak noise is observed, mark the place for repairing work. So after all 4 cylinders had been checked in this manner, the air hose was turned off and the line pressure will be released. Remove all the hoses connected and remove all the plugs.
Now, let's have a recap of what we learnt in this topic. We have learned to clean the engine block, test the engine block for leaks. While reconditioning the engine, it's very much essential to thoroughly clean the engine to decrease and remove the rust. Similarly, testing an engine block for any leaking is also important because while reconditioning an engine, we change many parts by new. In such cases, we have to ensure that the engine should be clean. So cleaning and testing the engine block is also an important task while reconditioning. Thus, we have learned how to clean the engine block. Many types of cleaning methods we use for cleaning the engine block. Normally, soap is used to clean the engines, but it will not remove the grease. For that, we need to use a degreaser to remove grease. After cleaning, test the engine block for leaks. We have demonstrated how to test the engine block. I hope you have clarity on this and practice the cleaning of engine block by using various types of cleaning methods.